Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to turn off two-step verification in your Gmail account. While two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, there are times when you might need to disable it temporarily or permanently for convenience. First, you'll need to access your Google account settings. You can do this in two ways. Either go directly to myaccount.google.com by typing it into your browser, or start at mail.google.com if you're already checking your emails. If you chose the Gmail route, look to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to the main hub where you can adjust all your account settings. Once you're in your Google account dashboard, take a moment to verify that you're working with the correct Gmail account, especially if you manage multiple accounts. This ensures you're disabling two-step verification for the right one. Next, direct your attention to the left sidebar, where you'll find several menu options. Click on Security. This section houses all the protective features Google offers for your account. Now scroll down a bit through the security options until you locate two-step verification. It's usually positioned prominently since it's a key security feature. Click on it to proceed. At this point, Google wants to make absolutely sure it's really you making these changes, so you'll likely be prompted to enter your password again. Go ahead and type it in to confirm your identity. Once you're in the two-step verification page, you'll see an overview of how it's currently set up for your account. Look for the Turn Off button and click it. Google takes security seriously, so they'll ask you to confirm this decision. A pop-up window will appear asking if you're certain about disabling this protection. Click Turn Off again to finalize your choice. And that's it. Two-step verification is now disabled for your Gmail account. Keep in mind that without this extra layer of security, your account relies solely on your password for protection. Make sure your password is strong and unique to maintain your account's security. You might also want to consider re-enabling two-step verification later when you're ready to add that extra protection back. Thanks for watching.